I've known Jonathan for 12 years. I actually ran into him in the East Village with my wife and my son this winter, and we just started talking about his collab at Komodo with David Grutman, and I wanted to bring something here to our Ainsworth brand, so we just kept in touch with each other and bounced ideas off each other back and forth and decided on doing gold wings. So the main crazy over-the-top package is 50. We call it the 50 pack. So you get 50 wings and a really beautiful gold bottle of Ace of Spades for $1,000. You don't have to get the $1,000 wings with the bottle of Ace of Spades. You can get the 10 pack for $45 or the 20 pack for $90.